Hey everyone, welcome back to useNfix, where we'll be showing you another tutorial video on the following topic: how to fix lock pins on Pinterest. If you're having trouble with fixing your lock pins on Pinterest, you are not alone. This issue is more common than you might think, but don't worry, today I'm going to walk you through some super easy steps to fix it. We're going to try a few methods starting from the simplest and working our way up. So stick with me till the end. One of these is bound to work. Let's start with the quickest fix: airplane mode. Turn on the option of airplane mode from your notification center and then wait for 10 to 15 seconds and turn it off. This resets your network connection and you can fix temporary glitches. Once you turn it off, go back to Pinterest and try logging in again. You'd be surprised how often this simple trick does the job. Next, let's check if there's an update available for the app Pinterest. Go to Play Store and then search for Pinterest. Then see if there is an update button. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using an outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have the latest bug fixes and improvements. If updating didn't help, it's time to clear the app's cache, especially on Android. Here's how. Go to settings and then search app. Then click on the option of app and then scroll further down until you see the option of Pinterest. Click on Pinterest and then you'll see the option of storage and then you'll see clear cache. Then click on clear cache. This clears out old data that might be causing issues. If you're on iPhone, the closest solution is deleting and reinstalling the app, which we'll get to in a second. And if none of that helps, go ahead and delete Pinterest from your phone, then try reinstalling it from App Store or Play Store. This gives you a fresh install with all the latest files and settings. In many cases, this is the final fix that solves stubborn login problems. And there you go. One of these methods should have helped you back into your Pinterest account. If it did, let me know in the comments and give this video a thumbs up to help others too. And hey, if you like simple tech fixes like this, consider subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.